Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have sin x and sin x. We can do about factorization, and we will have about 1 plus e to the power of 2y. E to the power of y, e to the power of y, we can do another factorization. Now, we put e to the power of y and 1 plus e to the power of 2y go to the left, the s will go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one first. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of y. Du we have e to the power of y dy. So this one we got u square. This one we got about du. The integration of this one we have r tan of u. And we put about c in here. About u, that's about this one. Now let's go to this one in here. About cos2x, we can change into 2 cosine x square minus 1. Number 3 minus 1, we have number 2. So number 2, we can do about factorization. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have negative sine x ds. Later that we put the negative next to the u. This one we change by u and we have u square. Sine x ds we change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 r tan of u. About u, that's about cosine x. Now we go back to this one. This integration, that is about this one. And this integration, that's about this one. Now we have the conditions. When s equal to b over 2, y equal to number 0. So we put the value in here to find the value of constant. So we put b over 2 gone here. Number 0 gone here. cosine of b over 2, you got about 0. This one you got about 1. So this one you got about 0 in here. This one we have b over 4. So c equals to b over 4. And now we return back to this one. And we put b over 4 going here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.